Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, on this episode of the attic build, we're going to be changing out the floors. Now, I was going to keep these floors, but there's a lot of patching, a lot of movement, and it'd take a lot of work just to try and get all these fixed back down. So it'd be a lot easier just to change all these out to a nice tongue and groove where it can be nice and flat, ready for carpet. Before I get into that, obviously I need to pull these up, so I'm going to be making a couple of cuts across the floor just to make them a little bit more manageable to work with, and so they fit into my trailer. And then hopefully we can start putting down some new sheets. All right, anyway, it's not going to pull itself up. Let's get into it. Alright, so it's all vacuumed up and it is so far nearly ready for the floor to go down. So it is the next day, so I do need to do some structural work before I put the floor back down. Now previously they just had this beam across here, just coach bolts straight into the these drop, I don't know, what do you call it, drop posts here, which just hangs straight off your rafter. These ones here, obviously all of it's supported off this rafter here, going up to your ridge and across this jack wall here. It does cantilever out here, so I'm going to be putting an LVL dropping down here, and then it's going to go right across and support all this floor going out there, so it's going to feel a lot safer. Like this here is the external of the building, and that is the eave, so it's going to feel a little bit more comfortable stepping out there and making sure that none of this actually drops. Alright, so this is the bracket I have. It's just going to be a drop hanger which is going to attach to this counterleaving beam here, which will then support this. They'll be both bolted with some M12 bolts. so both sides are done. It was really awkward trying to get the camera in there, so that is the right hand side done. It's bolted through the side there, plus it is bolted through this cross member and back into the LVL, so that will not go anywhere now. Now what I do need to do is I'm just going to throw a couple of noggins in here in the center just to stop this, because there was a bit of movement on this shaking in and out, so I don't want that to actually pull away from the building. And there you go, that end is all complete and ready for flooring. A lot stronger, the outside wall can't pull away now from the house. So this here did have a little bit of movement when I pushed this, and now it's nice and solid, so ready for flooring. Alright, so all the framing's done and all the insulation is under the floor, so now it is time to actually get the flooring down. So the hardest part is going to be getting it up here, and then we'll start laying it. Alright, so I've got the first two sheets up here. Now what I've done is I've flicked the line at about 810 millimeters out from the line, so I can get a nice straight run along the attic. I've allowed a little bit of clearance just in case there's some that's not perfectly straight on the outside. Also, normally you'd stagger your joints on your butt ends, but I'm not going to do that up here just because of the wastage on the sheets, and at the end of the day it's just an attic, so I really don't care. There's not going to be, you know, that much traffic up here apart from when you come up here to sleep. So anyway, I've got the first two sheets. I'm just going to get them down so it gives me a little bit more platform, and I'm going to start working that way. Okay, there we go, the floor is in. Now that was a massive job. It's basically I had to take it up like 2 big flights of stairs to get it up here. So that was a lot of hard work, but I'm happy it's down. Now I can concentrate on all the wall linings and everything, and I've still got to install a bigger window at one end and replace the old window at this end. So anyway, sorry it's been so long in between videos. I had to get a lot done to get this one out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it if you stuck around. If you did, hit that like and hit that subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.